Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can trim videos on CapCut PC. It is super simple. Select your video and add it to the timeline. Then you are going to go to a part you want to trim, for instance here maybe, and you can either select this to trim it or you can use this to trim. You can also use this one to trim and delete the left side. And then here you can trim and delete that was the right side and this was the left one. You can also go here and you can select split and you can split your videos like so. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.